Hi everyone, it's Michelle. I am so excited that it's Sunday because my husband is home from a long journey. He was business traveling for just over, I don't know, 2 or 3 weeks. So we're going to celebrate tonight. And one of the things that I wanted to make was molten lava chocolate cake, or chocolate molten lava cake. In any case, it's super simple. So I wanted to show you how it comes together. It's all made in this one pot. This is the deep covered baker, and it's made of stoneware, and it is a magic pot because you can use it in your microwave and it's like a brick oven. Use it for roast. I use it for making making meatloaf very often, and I've made fajitas in this, and it has just so many uses. It can go in the microwave or the oven. It does not go in the dishwasher though. It's a very special pot, so treat it like china. Anyway, to make the molten lava cake, it's really super simple. So we have a box of chocolate cake. So we do 1 box of chocolate cake. Oh, before we get started, I want to spray the pan. So I'm going to use my kitchen spritzer, and it's just filled with my own oil here. And I pumped it a few times. You might have seen that. And what it does is it builds up pressure. You don't fill it up all the way with oil. And it builds up pressure so that I can spray the inside of my pan. There we go. And then I'm just going to make the mix right in here. Start with the chocolate cake mix, and I'll add that in here to the pot. This is an easy read measuring cup. I can keep it flat on the countertop, and I can see the measurements. Oh, it says I have 1 1/2, so I better dump a little bit out. And now let's see, 1 1/4, perfect. So 1 1/4, and then I need a 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. Okay, so I've got 3 eggs there, and now I'm just going to mix it up. So it's all mixed up now. So as you can see, nice chocolate cake mix. And I'm just using regular frosting for the chocolate cake mix. And I'm going to get a spoon and just lump the frosting right on top. So I've dropped the frosting onto the cake mix. You can kind of see there, I just did like 6 big clumps of it. And I am going to put the lid on it and pop it in the microwave for about 8 minutes, 6 to 8 minutes. You don't want to do it too long because then it'll dry it out. Besides the deep covered baker that I'm using, you can also make this recipe in our everyday rock crock pan or the deep covered baker if you want a little extra room. So there's a couple different ways you can make it, but it's made in the microwave, and it takes less than 10 minutes to put it together and to cook it and to have it at the table. We always like to have it with either fresh whipped cream or with vanilla ice cream. It's delicious. So thank you very much. I'll show you what it looks like in a minute.
What, Hurricane Florence?
Okay, so the lava cake came out and we dished it up rather quickly. As you can see, chocolate sauce down at the bottom, a nice fluffy cake on top, and then we serve it over ice cream. Yum.